More than 200 Americans evacuated from China because of the coronavirus are now back in the U.S. They will be held in quarantine for at least 2 weeks. This as some airlines suspend flights to China. CBS 2's Nichelle Medina reports.
The evacuees stepped off the jet at March Air Reserve Base in Moreno Valley, California, where they were taken into isolation. A ground crew wearing white protective gear handled their luggage.
We are going to monitor them for the full extent of their incubation period.
The U.S. government chartered the flight to get the 201 Americans, including U.S. diplomats, out of Wuhan, the Chinese city at the center of the novel coronavirus outbreak. The passengers were screened for signs of illness before they left China and again when the plane landed in Alaska to refuel.
During the course of these screening processes, we check for symptoms that would be concerning of the novel coronavirus, including fever, cough, and other respiratory symptoms.
The passengers will remain at the base anywhere between 3 and 14 days. If anyone becomes ill, they will be taken to a nearby hospital. The virus has sickened thousands in China and killed more than 100 people. Some major airlines, including British Airways, have canceled all flights to China, a move the Trump administration is keeping a close eye on.
I think that was a British Airways corporate decision, not a decision by the UK government, but we're monitoring the situation very closely, and we'll work with our airline partners.
The World Health Organization praised China's response to the outbreak.
They are taking extraordinary measures in the face of what is an extraordinary challenge.
At the airbase, health officials say they are taking measures, keeping the passengers away from all military personnel. Nichelle Medina, CBS News, Moreno Valley, California.
American Airlines suspended flights from Los Angeles to Shanghai and Beijing, and United Airlines has also suspended flights to Beijing, Hong Kong, and Shanghai.